You get a text. Your package couldn't be delivered. Click here to reschedule. Your thumb hovers over the link. Stop. That text could drain your bank account. It's called smishing, and it's exploding. Today I'll show you the scam texts to watch for, how to spot them instantly, and what to do when one lands. Let's be honest, we all get these. A surprise delivery notice, a bank alert, an unpaid toll. Most of them are scams. This is smishing, phishing delivered by text message. And it works, because a text feels personal and urgent in a way email doesn't. So what exactly is smishing? It's phishing, but delivered by text message. Scammers send fake texts pretending to be a delivery company, your bank, or a government agency. The goal is always the same: get you to tap a link, hand over personal details, or send money. The name comes from SMS, text messaging, plus phishing. Here are the classics you'll see again and again. The fake delivery text. Your package is held. Click to reschedule or pay a small fee. The bank or account alert. We spotted a suspicious charge. Verify your account now. And the toll or fine scam. You have an unpaid toll. Pay immediately to avoid a penalty. All designed to make you panic and tap. Then there are the slower burn lures. The prize scam. You've won a reward you never entered for. Just pay a small fee to claim it. The fake job offer. Easy work from home for hundreds a day. And the wrong number text. A friendly stranger starts an innocent conversation that slowly turns into a romance or crypto investment scam. Different bait, same hook. No matter the story, every smishing text wants the same thing: for you to tap the link or reply. That link leads to a fake login page that steals your password, or a site that installs malware. The story is just the bait. The tap is the trap. Here's how to spot one in seconds. First, it's unexpected and urgent. Pressure to act right now before you think. Second, the link looks off. A strange domain, random characters, or a shortened address that hides where it really goes. And third, it asks for something sensitive: a password, a one-time code, or a payment. Any one of these is a red flag. So what do? Don't tap and don't reply. Not even stop, because replying just tells the scammer your number is real and active. If you think it might be genuine, go directly to the company's official app or website and check there. Never use the link in the text. Then report the message as junk or spam. Forward it to your carrier's reporting number if they have one, and delete it. Here's your survival kit. Never tap links in unexpected texts. Verify anything important through the official app or website, not the message. Never share one-time codes, passwords, or payment details by text. Don't reply. Just report and delete. Turn on your phone's built-in spam filtering. And remember, slow down. Urgency is the single biggest tell. If you remember one rule, make it this: when in doubt, go to the source, not the link. Open the official app yourself. Call the number printed on your bank card, not the one in the text. Verify it on your own terms, and the scam falls apart. If this helped you outsmart the scammers, subscribe to Cyber Strategics. I teach the simple skills that keep you and your family safe every single day.